Caladium plants, also known as angel wings or elephant ears, are popular for their stunning colorful foliage. They are tropical plants that thrive in warm, humid environments and make excellent indoor or outdoor ornamental plants. Here is a guide on how to care for caladium plants and their benefits. How to care for caladium plants. 1. Light requirements. Indoors, place your caladium in bright, indirect light. Avoid direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. Outdoors, grow caladiums in partial shade or filtered sunlight. They thrive under the canopy of trees or in shaded garden beds. 2. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Caladiums love humidity and prefer slightly damp soil. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Reduce watering during the dormant season winter. 3. Soil use. Well-draining, rich and slightly acidic soil. pH 5.5 to 6.5. A mix of peat moss, perlite, and compost works well. Ensure the pot or planting area has good drainage to prevent root rot. For temperature and humidity. Temperature. Caladiums prefer warm temperatures between 6.5 degrees 8.5 degrees 18 degrees to 9 degrees. Avoid temperatures below 60 degrees Fahrenheit 15 degrees Celsius, as they are sensitive to cold humidity. These plants thrive in high humidity. Mist the leaves regularly or use a humidifier indoors. You can also place the pot on a tray filled with water and pebbles to increase humidity. 5. Fertilizing. Feed your caladium with a balanced liquid fertilizer, e.g. October 10, every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the roots and leaves. 6. Pruning and maintenance. Remove yellow or damaged leaves to encourage new growth and maintain the plant's appearance. Caladiums go dormant in winter. When the leaves die back, reduce watering and store the tubers in a cool, dry place until spring. 7. Pests and diseases. Watch for common pests like spider mites, aphids and mealybugs. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Prevent fungal diseases by avoiding overwatering and ensuring good airflow around the plant. Benefits of caladium plants. 1. Stunning aesthetic appeal. Caladiums are prized for their vibrant, heart-shaped leaves that come in shades of green, pink, red, white, and combinations of these colors. They add a tropical touch to any space. 2. Air purification. Like many house plants, caladiums can help improve indoor air quality by absorbing toxins and releasing oxygen. 3. Low maintenance. Once established, caladiums are relatively easy to care for, making them ideal for both beginner and experienced gardeners. For versatility, they can be grown indoors as houseplants or outdoors in shaded garden beds, containers, or hanging baskets. 5. Mood booster. The bright, colorful foliage of caladiums can uplift your mood and create a calming, tropical ambience in your home or garden. 6. Great for shade gardens. Caladiums thrive in shady areas where other plants may struggle, making them a perfect choice for adding color to shady spots. Tips for success. Rotate your caladium plant occasionally to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light. If growing outdoors, plant caladium tubers after the last frost in spring. when the soil has warmed up during dormancy. Store the tubers in a dry, cool place and replant them in spring for another season of growth. By following these care tips, you can enjoy the beauty and benefits of caladium plants year after year. Whether indoors or outdoors, these tropical beauties are sure to brighten up your space. Herb sparkles.